Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 3 and I'm gonna show you how to check the battery level on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons or by tapping on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you can press and hold the back button to open the menu. And once the menu opens, you will see the battery level right here on the top. You can also check the estimates for your battery, so how long it will last. To do it, tap on the settings option in the menu, then scroll down, tap on the system, and here find the battery manager. Once you find it, tap on it. And as you can see here, we have the estimates of our battery. So if you enable the battery saver, it will basically increase the battery life, but if you disable it, you will see the current estimate. Okay. And then we can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the battery level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.